Good morning, students. How are you all? I hope that you are all fine by the grace of God at home. And also, I am hoping that you are all watching the videos, lesson based videos that our teachers are uploading in our YouTube channel, that is eGyan Kosh. Students, you see, sometimes clarity may be missing, but you try to understand the videos of our teachers and as well as my videos also. As far as I am concerned, I am trying to give you the best videos and try to understand, try to increase your volume when you are listening so that you can listen carefully. And also listen the video as well as video along with audio from beginning to last, and then don't give any pause or don't leave it in between or in the middle and you can't understand. And try to subscribe our YouTube channel J and U1 Malkangiri eGyan Kosh. eGyan Kosh. After that, give your comments and feedback in the column which is available, and you all know that. Hope students, we all will be together again, and we shall continue our classes. Up to that, watch these online YouTube videos and then get some knowledge on the textual based lessons as well as grammar as well as reading. Today, this is my opening words that I want to tell you. Today, we are going to deal with one story that is from 7th class. This is 7th class NCERT book. Okay, textbook Honeycomb. The name of this book is Honeycomb, 7th class. And as you have come from 6th class, newly entered into 7th class, National Council of Educational Research and Training, they have formed this book from the CBSE. First lesson we are going to see the first lesson in the 7th class. The name of our lesson is 3 questions. The name of our lesson is 3 questions. Students, you see, 3 questions means that should immediately come to our mind. What is these 3 questions? What are the 3 questions? Who put the 3 questions? मतलब 3 questions क्या है? 3 questions कौन पूछा? 3 questions किसका पूछा? These are all should come to our mind when you see this title. So, what are the questions that should come to our mind? What are the questions that should come to our mind? हमारा mind में, मन में ये heading का देखिए कौन से टाइप का questions आना चाहिए हमारे mind का. First question is what are the 3 questions? What are the 3 questions? Second one is who asked 3 questions? Who asked 3 questions? Second question is who asked 3 questions? Third question is when did they ask Three questions. First question that should come to our mind is, what are the three questions? Here our first story, first lesson name is three questions. No? First we should know what are the three questions. Based on the title I am asking you students, what are the three questions? Who asked three questions? When did they ask three questions? And fourth question is, why did they ask three questions? Three questions. Why did they ask three questions? What are the three questions? Who asked three questions? When did they ask three questions? Why did they ask three questions? To whom they asked? मतलब किसका पूछा? To whom? Fifth question is, to whom these three questions? Three questions are asked. Fifth question is, to whom these three questions are asked? These are the some general questions that should come to our mind. So, when you read this lesson from beginning to ending, and when you listen my explanation, you will understand, you can find the answers for all these questions. Students, this is for your worksheet also. These five questions, after the end of the lesson, you have to answer and send it to me. Okay, students? What are they? The name of our lesson is three questions. The name of our lesson is three questions. So, based on the title of the lesson, you should get in your mind these five questions. Based on the title of the lesson, तो पांच क्वेश्चन का आपको मन में आना चाहिए. ठीक है? What, who, when, why, to whom? The three questions are asked. These are all questions you have to answer, students. So when I also generally naturally heard this the story title three questions, some questions came to my mind. These are the questions. Okay, students. Students, the writer of this chapter, the three questions, the writer of this story, three questions is Leo Tolstoy. Leo Tolstoy. This Leo Tolstoy, he was the Russian novelist. He was the Russian novelist and moral philosopher. Russian novelist and moral philosopher, not modern, moral philosopher. Means he is a philosopher, but he has all his philosophies are based on the good morals. Good morals. So, his greatest novel, his novelist I said no, means he written so many novels. The greatest novels among them is War and the Peace. War and the Peace. Students, if you get chance, you try to read this novel. And you know, this novel, Leo Tolstoy's novel, used to read by Mahatma Gandhi and many of the greatest personalities in India and in the world. And born in 9th September 1828. He is from Russia. Okay, students, this is something about Leo Tolstoy's story. You know, Leo Tolstoy is the greatest philosopher and novelist. And his novels and books and stories are read in a huge manner entire the world. So this story is also a moral story. Three questions is also a moral story. Okay, though this opening paragraph of the story is a philosophical in nature. The opening paragraph of this story is a philosophical in nature. But but it is based on morals. It is based on morals. It is practical in significance, and it teaches you values. Value inculcation means a person, a individual can learn the value inculcation, means values can be inculcated in that person based on this story, value based story. So therefore, students, what is there in the story? There was a king. There was a king. That king believed that he can rule the country, he can rule his people, he can rule his kingdom if he know the answer for three questions. Answer for three questions. So this entire story is running on only the three questions. I said there was a king. The king believed that he can rule his country, and he can rule his country, and he can rule his kingdom without fail if you know answer for three questions. He feel that अगर मुझे थ्री क्वेश्चंस का आंसर पता है तो आई विल बी नेवर फेल इन माई लाइफ. मेरा जिंदगी में कभी भी फेल नहीं होता है. फेल मतलब ఏమంటారు ना, फेल नहीं, असफल नहीं होता है, ऐसे सोचा. So what are the three questions? I will write on you. He would never fail in his life if he knew three questions. If he knew three questions, अगर इनका three questions पता है तो वो कभी भी असफल नहीं हो जाता है जिंदगी में, बोल के he believed, वो विश्वास किया. So what are the three questions? Question number 1. What is the right time to begin something? First question. Students, listen carefully. What is the right time to begin something? Write in your notebooks also. Second question. Which people should he listen to? Third question. What is the most important affair? Means what is the most important thing for him to do? For him to do. So these are the three questions that the king wants to know the answers. So king has declared, announced, proclaimed that if anyone in my kingdom tell the answers, अगर एक क्वेश्चंस का आंसर बोलेगा तो मैं उनका बहुत संपत्ति, means I will give them so much of property, land, gold, what not, everything I will give them, बोल के डिक्लेयर किया. He declared, whoever says answer to these questions. So सबका ये इंफॉर्मेशन चला गया. क्या है? King wants to know answers for the three questions. What are the three questions? What is the right time to begin something? कुछ करने के लिए सही टाइम क्या है? And the second one is which people should he listen to? किसका सुनना है? What is the most important thing for him to do? मतलब सबसे पहले में क्या करना है? Okay. Most important affair, important thing for him to do, मतलब क्या करना है, important चीज क्या है मेरे लिए. He wants to know answer for these three questions. वो बोला. So this information kingdom पर चला गया. So जिस चीज का आंसर बोलना है किंग का, वो लोग सब आ गए. कहाँ आया? King's court, king's का पैलेस आ गया. They came to the palace of the king to give answer to these three questions. To give answer to these three questions. Start. Receiving the king's question all over the kingdom. So many people. Who are the people? Common people, educated people, uneducated people, all the people, ministers, who not? Ministers, dancers, thinkers, scholars, and astrologers from all over the country, all over the kingdom, they came to give
they came to give answers to the king's three questions. So in the first question answer, what is the first question? What is the right time to begin something? इसके लिए कुछ group of people आया. Hey, who can give first question answer? मैंने है प्रभु. I am their प्रभु. Yes, I am their king. I can give answers. Or come and say. They came and said, oh, yes, tell. Each one started telling different answers. What is that? What is the right time to begin something? कुछ शुरू करने के लिए सही टाइम क्या है? सही समय क्या है? This is the first. In answer to this question, some people said the king must prepare a timetable. For example, fourth period English classes there or maths classes there. Maths class starts from 11:15 after the interval. Timetable is there. So what maths teacher will do? Maths teacher will go according to the time. He will go to begin his class. Now, what is the right time for the maths teacher to begin a maths class? 11:15. Why? Because it is written in the timetable. Are you able to follow? Here, some said that the king must prepare a timetable and follow it so that everything can start in right time. And in reply to the first answer, another people, मतलब दूसरा लोग ने बोला, the king should notice all that was going on, avoid foolish pleasures, and then can start. मतलब king ने क्या करना है? He has to notice everything. What is the right time to begin something के लिए? He has to observe everything. Observe करने के बाद, yes. If you observe and avoid the foolish pleasures. Foolish pleasures means time waste things. Time waste thing का छोड़ के हम लोग if we observe, we can know what are the time waste thing, what are the useful things. मतलब कैसे टाइम यूज करना है, कैसे टाइम बिगिन करना है, कुछ करने के लिए बोल के उनका पता चलेगा बोल के कुछ लोग ने बोला. And in answer to the first question, some other said the king needed a council of wise men who would help him. मतलब some people said, Prabhu, you should put a council of wise men. Wise men means intellectual person. वो क्या करता है? वो हर समय आपके पास ही रहेगा and बोलेगा, प्रभु, yes, this is the right time to do this thing. आप करो, you do this work, you do that work, you do this work. बोल के वो लोग बोलेगा. ठीक है? Some suggested to put a council of ministers so that they will always guide. For example, in the government, chief secretary will be there, chief secretary, where the secretariat, and there are different secretaries for the different departments. They all guide the chief minister and take the guidance from the chief minister and follow his orders. They all guide the chief ministers. Okay, so this is also same. Some should said yes, they should appoint a council of ministers so that they will always guide him. And some others said the king would have to go to the magicians. अरे to do something के लिए magicians, जादूगर लोग के पास जाना है. They will tell, magicians will tell, because magicians can look into the futures. Magicians can look into the future. भविष्य काल में देख सकता है. So वो लोग बता सकता है what is the right time to begin something. So in reply to the first question, how many answers given? 1, 2, 3, 4. Different people answered. So many came. Some given this answer, some other given second answer. The first answer is king must prepare a timetable. Second answer is king should notice all the things and avoid time waste activities, that is foolish pleasures, so that he will know the right time to begin something. And third question, the third group of people said that king should appoint a council of ministers. Fourth group of people said that the king would have to go to the magicians, because magicians can look into the future and can tell the right time to begin something. Okay? Good. Second question. The first question, different answers are given now. Second question.
Second question. What is the king's second question? Three questions में there are three questions. What is the second question? Second question is what people should he listen? What people should he listen? किसका सुनना है? किसका सुनना है और किसी से सुनना है? Okay. What is the what people should he listen? किसका सुनना है? देखिए. In reply to then there are some other group of people they came. Prabhu, हमका आंसर पता है. We know the answer. Yes, tell. Some group of people said that his counselors, because for the king, counselors are the most important persons for him. Which people should he listen to? मतलब who are the most important people for me? That's the meaning. Counselors जो बोलेगा वो सुनना है. Because counselors are the counselors. So some people said your counselors are very important than anybody. So therefore you have to listen to them. आप उनसे सुनना पड़ेगा. Next, some other people said the doctors, because doctors always they take care of your health. They suggest you so many things regarding your country, health techniques, health related issues they tell for your country, for your people, and for you also. So therefore you should listen to the doctors. And some other group of people said soldiers are more important. Soldiers are more important. Why? Because soldiers, they protect you, they guard you, they are your bodyguards. They are also bodyguards to this kingdom. So whatever they say, you have to listen. King किसका सुनना है? King should listen to which kind of people? Some others say the priests. The priests are devotees. They always pray to God. They always pray to God. They pray for you. They do yajnas. They do pujas for you. So therefore, they are the priests are the most important persons. In return to the second question answer, different. Some said counselors, some said doctors, some said soldiers, some said the priests. King to sun rahe. King was listening. King Simhasana mein baith gaya. He sat in his mighty chair and then listening. And then third question. Third question is, what affairs are the most important? What affairs are the most important? I said, what is the most important thing for him to do? What is the most important thing for him to do? Or what affairs are the most important? Both are same. So what is the most important for him to do? The most important affair for him to do is, some said, people came all over the kingdom now. Some said science. Science is most important affair that you should deal. You should do on science. You should concentrate on science, because some science improve the knowledge, technology, the modern. So my dear king, science is more important. Some others said your most important affair, आप जो करना है, the most important for him to do is, others chose fighting. You are the king. King means mighty, big, glory. So therefore you have to take your talwar and start fighting. You have to fight. King means fighting. The most important thing for you to do is, for king to do is, some so chose fight. Some chose fight means some said fighting is more important. And some others said religious worship. Christian, Hindu, Buddha, Isai, Jain, Islamic, all the importance are religious worship is very important. King सबका है, एक religious का है, सबका है. So your most important thing is religious worship.
Your FIR should be religious worship. So therefore, three questions, children. First question: what is the right time to begin something? Different questions are given. What people should he listen to? Different questions are given. What is the most important thing for him to do? Means what is the most important affair? Affair means most important thing for him to do. Different answers are given. Now king sat in his chair and he listened all the questions. But to all your surprise, king was not satisfied any of these answers. King was not satisfied with any of these answers. First questions, जो people बोला, some people said your most important thing is you should prepare a timetable. Okay, what is the most right time to begin something? You should prepare a timetable, and you should also avoid the foolish pleasures and the time waste things. अब छोड़ के timeful things करना है. And some people said you should appoint a council of ministers. Some people said you have to go to magicians. And I reply to the second answer. Counselors are the most. You have to listen to the counselors. You have to listen to the doctors, and you have to listen to the soldiers. You have to listen to the priests. He said, but he was not satisfied. Third question. Some people said science. Some people said fighting. Some people said religious worship. But he was not satisfied. To all your surprise, he was not satisfied. He was not satisfied with the answers which were given by the people. Means जो आ गया ना आंसर देने के लिए, he was not satisfied. So therefore he not given any reward. मतलब किसी का कुछ मतलब he has not given any gold, diamonds or property. Nothing is given. Why? Because he is not satisfied. If king not satisfied, how can he give the gifts to them? So gift किसी का नहीं दिया because he was not satisfied. So therefore, but king has three questions. He wants to answer. He wants to know answer for these three questions. So therefore, king decided to go to the hermit. King decided to go to the hermit. King decided to go to the hermit. Who is hermit? Hermit is a person, write in your notebooks, meaning. Hermit is a person, he live alone in the woods. Woods means in the forest. Hermit means the person who live alone in the woods, means in the forest. He was widely known for his wisdom. Are you able to follow? Again I am repeating right in your book. Hermit means the person lives alone in the forest, in the woods, in a small cottage. Cottage means small house. Cottage means क्या है? Small house. He was known for his wisdom. Wisdom means knowledge. And another word to say, Rishi is not exactly like Rishi, but a simple man with lot of knowledge. A simple man with lot of knowledge. They are called hermit. They are called hermit. Okay, students? Now, king, as he was not satisfied with the answer of the people in the kingdom for his three questions, but he wants to know the answer for the three questions, for these three questions. First question दिया, here we go. Second question, third question. He wants to know. So therefore, कहाँ गया? He went to the hermit's house. I said hermit was a simple man, lives alone in the woods, in the forest. So therefore, he went. Okay. King कैसे गया hermit का पास पता है? He removed all his kingly clothes, mighty golden clothes पूरा निकाल के normal clothes पहन के he wore the normal clothes because hermit was normal clothes and went to his cottage. That time the hermit was working in his garden. What he was doing is he was digging the beds. Beds means ये जो ground है ना, जो ground है पौड़ा से beds means वो जो मिट्टी निकाल रहे होल, किस लिए? प्लांटेशन के लिए, वो प्लांट लगाने के लिए he was digging the pit in his garden. They are called beds. The king went and said, Namaskar, my dear hermit. A very good evening to my dear hermit. My dear wise man. He said, yes, good evening. Okay. And then he said his problem. My dear wise man, he was in his garden working. My dear wise man, I have 3 questions. What are the 3 questions? What is the right time to begin something? Second question. Which people should I listen? मतलब मैं किसका सुनना है? Third question. What are the most important affair to do something? What is the most important affair to do something? No, what affairs are the most important for me? मतलब मेरे लिए क्या है? Can you please tell me? But the hermit was not answered. He was digging. Okay, digging the beds, working in the garden. So students, you understand or not? So let us stop now. This is the part 1 video, and you see its continuation in the part 2. 3 questions. This is the part 1. For part 2 means next. Now king went to hermit to know the answer for his 3 questions. What happened? Already I said that time the hermit was in the garden. He was digging bits. Pit होल लगा रहे plants planting करने के लिए, plants लगाने के लिए. King went and said his problem. मतलब I have 3 questions, hermit, my dear wise man, please tell me. He asked the king. King asked the hermit. Okay, up to here. Let us stop now, and the continuation of the story will be in part 2. I'll make a part 2 video, and then I'll show you. And you see here the picture. This is the king. And king removed all his clothes and went to put a normal clothes and went to the hermit. He is the hermit in a blue color clothing, hermit. And then a small cottage was their house, and you see powder with him. The powder hai, dekho. Okay, powder is there. He was digging bits in the ground, in the garden. He is working in his garden. Okay, students. So then what happened? What suggestions, what answers hermit given? Let us see in the next video, that is part 2. And please listen and note down some questions. I already said I want to put you only 4 questions. Who got 3 questions? First question is, write in your book, who got 3 questions? Have you written? Second question, what are the 3 questions? What are the 3 questions? Write in your notebook. Third question, to know the 3 questions, to know the answers for these 3 questions, what did the king do? Once again I repeat,
to know the answers to his three questions. What did the king do? That is third question. Okay. Fourth question. What is the answer for the, what are the answers for the first question? What are the answers for the first question? That is my fourth question for you. Fifth question, in reply to the second question, what are the answers that different people gave? I repeat again. In reply to the second question, what are the answers that the king received? My sixth question for you. Write down in your notebook. In reply to the third question, what are the answers king received? In reply to the third question answers, what are the answers that the king got from the different people? That is sixth question. Seventh question.
Did the king satisfied with all these questions? My seventh question is, did the king satisfied with all these questions? If yes, when? If no, why? My eighth question for you is, did the king give any gifts to the people of the kingdom? The people who gave the answers?
Did the king give any gifts, award and reward to the people who gave the answers? Definitely no. Why? My final question is, in order to know the three question answers, किसका पास गया? To whom the king approached? To whom did king go? मतलब किसका पास गया? These are all the questions. Try to understand and try to write it on your book and answer it and send it to me. And hermit का answers क्या है? What hermit has given the answers? For that answers, please watch the part 2 video. Thank you very much, and subscribe it, like it, and comment it. Thank you.